Bonjour and welcome to another tutorial by KG Media Collaborative. Today we're going to talk about adding a signature to an electronic PDF, whether you took the picture with your phone using CamScanner or another app, or you have it residing in Adobe Acrobat app. So first let's get into CamScanner so we can take a picture of the contract. I'm going to select the camera down at the bottom. It's set on single, but you can obviously go back and forth if it's a multi-page document. Going to make sure that the document's laying against a dark background and take a picture. In this screen I can format the sizing. Once I'm satisfied, I select the check down at the lower right hand corner. It processes the image. I'm then going to select the bar at the top to change it and create a title for it. Select Done. You'll see the titles changed. You can select from any of the tones down at the bottom as well. I like magic color. Hit the check one more time and it'll process the image. It'll return back to the image. Now I want to send this to Adobe Acrobat, and here's why. If you select the email here, it'll just show up as a snapshot within the email, but if you send it to Adobe Acrobat, you can then send it as a full attachment, a PDF attachment. That would include your signature or any other information you want to include on this document. So I'm going to select Share at the bottom. I'm going to convert it to a PDF, and then we're going to send it to Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so here's the file again as a PDF. In the previous tutorial, you would just select the send function down at the bottom and share the file to send it on. But we need to sign this document first before we send it as an attachment. So go down to the bottom, and the icon, that's the bubble with the pen, is going to allow us to do a number of things with this document. You can highlight, add text boxes, draw, or sign. The icon all the way to the right, the fancy ballpoint tipped pen, is where you can add a signature. So select that, create signature, take your time, you can use your finger, and select done, and there's my signature. Now if you tap the signature one time, you'll get the box in which you can edit the size and move it around. If you need to change the color, you can change the color, or you can move it to change the size and then move it into the place here. If you need to add another signature, you can select it again. We can delete Rick's signature and add Jim Duggan's. Move it, and we're done. Let's say I needed to add a date somewhere on this and I didn't want to write it. I can select the T for text box. It'll load a new screen. After I touch the screen, it'll load a new screen. And I'll put date 1/1/2000. Save it, and there's the text. You can edit it with font size and color, move the box around where you need to, and I'm done. So let's select Done. You'll see that all the changes are there. Now you can select the Send function, Share File, Share Flattened Copy, and you can send it with whatever